Here we are with the 27-inch giant iTab. Familiar look and feel of a smartphone on a giant scale, using ProCap high-end technology and configured as a smartphone. So you're able to load your websites, present all your websites, all your digital information that you already have with all the pinch and flick and natural features that you expect of the smartphone in your pocket, and this device will do all of that for you. Key benefits of using a giant smartphone for venues is that you're providing a piece of technology for a better visitor experience, one that's familiar and they're happy to use because there's no fear factor. For show organisers, you've got something like the meeting show organised by North Star, where you can put all the digital information from the event guide onto the digital display and in a more sustainable fashion get rid of all the printed materials such as brochures, printed event guides and You Are Here boards. And finally, for exhibitors themselves, imagine you're loading your own website on here and you're asking people to come up and actually interact and engage. And by discovery, they're going to feel a better user experience and have a better understanding and acknowledgement of your brand than if you were just giving it to them as a video showreel. Very much the same as the phone in your pocket. You've got all your apps and your websites and your links and your PDFs and your brochures all accessible using the favicons. We load the favicon here, load the content. So for example, here is our website. You can use Chrome to load your website. Here's our website here, very easy to use. Got all the pinch, zoom, flick and all the features that you'd expect from a smartphone. But in addition to that, you've now got the Play Store. So you can take an app and you can load an app from the Play Store and that app will run natively, which means it gives you the exact same user experience as your phone. And that's really important if you're an event organizer or you're an app developer like TikTok who want to give people that same experience as they want to have on the phone, but on a giant scale.